Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is another video on PUBG Mobile, and we're playing in Midsen again. I was playing with Gaming Boys 43 this time. So I saw a squad dropping in front of us, so I took a right turn, but I didn't want to mess with them. I came here to find some guns in order to deal with them. Then here my Gaming Boys 43 got knocked out by someone, and later at this point he got killed also. So I came over here to scan the enemies, like to see where are they, to locate their positions. I saw this person running. I tried to give him at least one hit so he's low, but I couldn't hit him. So there was one more person shooting at me, so I kept in mind that there are two people at least over here. Then I saw this person running towards me, not running towards me, running behind the fence. So I knocked him out. Then I went back to switch sides to check if there is someone behind. I came over here again. I saw his teammate peeking at me. I knocked him also. This is the second time I'm knocking their teammate. So at this point I knocked one more teammate of I think this is the guy who killed my Gaming Boys 43. I remember it. So someone shooted at me from here. I switched side and he came over here to this building. I saw this guy trying to throw a Molotov cocktail at my teammate, so I knocked him out. And this is the same guy who I had knocked earlier at the apartments. So I saw his teammate running towards him to revive him. I hit him a bullet at his leg, so I don't think it hurt him pretty much. So here my teammate got knocked out by someone from the mountains with a DP28, knocked and finished actually. So here I kept in mind, okay, there are many people over here. So my other teammate also, the remaining teammate also got knocked out by someone, and he got killed as well. I could have saved him over here, but I just couldn't take the risk to cross the road because I knew that there were people over there. So I saw the person running over here. I thought he would take a left turn, but he didn't. So I thought, okay, let's kill him. I killed him over here. So this was the person who knocked and finished my teammate. So I decided to run at this time because the zone was also approaching me and there was no point to fight with them. Obviously they had the advantage. So after that I came over here. I heard some squads fighting over here. I saw this person, but actually his net was very bad, so that's why I was saved over here. Then I knocked second teammate also over here. So I was thinking only one teammate of them is remaining over here and he's behind the rock. So I finished him off, and I was thinking I should finish their second person also who had a very bad internet connection. So I finished him to confirm my kill. So then the zone closed in and I was over here, and actually the person behind the rock, you can see him behind the rock, he was actually helping me and I was shooting at him. So I killed this person over here, and he was the only person remaining. The person I killed now was the person I fought in Midstein. So yeah, I didn't kill this person earlier because he was helping me to fight with them. So I threw a molly over here. Then I decided to do one more molly over here because I was going to cross the path and go at the tree at the left, so I could get a better angle on him, and I was in the zone as well at this point. So here he decided to rush at me. I waited for some time and I bounced at him and I killed him. So hopefully you liked the video. Please don't forget to like and share my channel, and thanks for your time and thanks for watching. I'll see you for the next time.